In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Telegram. This walkthrough focuses on Telegram Web, the version you open in a browser, and it's a quick way to end your session on a shared or public computer. Logging out here affects only the browser session you're using right now. It won't delete your chats, and it won't sign you out of Telegram on your phone or other devices. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Telegram Web. If you're already signed in, you'll see your chat list and conversations. If you aren't, sign in first so you can access the menu we need. Once you're on the main Telegram web screen, look toward the very top left corner. You'll see the three-line icon, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Click that to open the main menu. If your window is very narrow, you might need to maximize it to reveal the icon clearly. Inside the menu, select Settings. This opens a dedicated page for your account and app preferences within Telegram Web. Think of Settings as the control center for your profile, privacy, and session management in the browser. It's the place where the log out option is located, but it's slightly tucked away, so you don't tap it by accident. With the Settings page open, look for the three dots icon, usually in the top right area of the Settings panel. This icon opens a small Actions menu related to your account. Click those three dots and then choose Log Out from the options. Depending on the interface version, the wording might appear as Log Out or Sign Out, but it leads to the same result, ending your current Telegram web session in this browser. When you click Log Out, Telegram will ask you to confirm. This extra step helps prevent accidental signouts, especially if you clicked the option by mistake. Confirm that you want to sign out. After a moment, you'll be taken back to the sign-in screen. That's your confirmation that you've successfully logged out of Telegram Web. A quick note on what happens next. Your messages and media are stored in Telegram's cloud, so nothing is lost by logging out of the web session. When you're ready to use Telegram Web again, you can sign back in at any time. If you were using a shared computer, logging out helps protect your privacy by preventing others from opening your chats. And that's it. Menu, Settings, the three dots, Log Out, and Confirm. Simple, secure, and done.